you think about New Orleans, you're just transported somewhere else. It doesn't feel like anywhere else in America, and I think that's a good thing. That's why we love it. People are drinking bourbon in the middle of the day. People are chucking oysters. There's music and jazz and hip-hop coming out everywhere. People want to celebrate life, and they love their city. What makes New Orleans so different is really its influences from all these ethnic cultures. Africa, Spanish, French, crayfish, oysters, po' boys, all of it. Shake it all up, just like a great gumbo. No matter what culture you are, you feel like this is a place for me. People know the French Quarter all over the world. People know Bourbon Street. But let me take you on a different ride, circa 40 minutes from Bourbon Street. The Vietnamese community made NOLA East their home. Highly entrepreneurial, sticking together. The Vietnamese in New Orleans had very quickly become an incredible important part of the fabric of the city and an incredible immigrant American story.